Heavy-use faucet hardware choices transform a busy family kitchen into a durable, low-maintenance workspace. Select commercial-grade faucets with a pull-down spray head and stainless steel or brass construction to withstand constant use and resist corrosion. Choose models with replaceable ceramic cartridges so you can fix leaks quickly without replacing the whole faucet. To do this, shut off the water, remove the handle, swap the cartridge, and test for smooth operation. Prioritize finishes and coatings that are scratch-resistant and match cleaning routines. Wipe with a soft cloth and mild detergent and avoid bleach and abrasive pads to preserve the finish. Look for high flow rates balanced with aeration to conserve water while keeping strong rinsing power. And confirm spout reach and height fit your sink geometry so tall pots and deep basins clear easily. Consider integrated features like a soap dispenser and a filtered water spout to reduce countertop clutter and streamline daily tasks, and route filter lines and soap refill openings during installation for neat access. For heavy families, choose models with single handle control for quick temperature adjustment and leverage a professional installation to ensure proper sealing and long-term reliability. Common issues include leaking around the base from worn seals or improper installation, which you fix by tightening mounting hardware, replacing rubber gaskets, and ensuring the deck is clean and level. Another frequent problem is diminished spray performance from mineral buildup in aerators and spray heads. Remove and soak those parts in a vinegar solution, scrape gently with a soft brush, and run water to flush debris. Third, users often pick faucets without sufficient reach or clearance, causing awkward splashing and awkward filling of large pots. Measure sink dimensions and mock up spout height and reach with tape before buying. Or choose models with adjustable pull-down hoses and long reach to avoid that. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for heavy-duty kitchen hardware upgrades and offers contractor listings that make it easier for professionals to find work. We also host a discussion community where our members share installation tips, product experiences, and project photos to help you plan durable, high-throughput faucet solutions.